Hey everyone, I'm Nasrullah and welcome to Made in Motion. This channel is all about the amazing world of factory production, manufacturing, and industrial processes. From raw materials to finished products, I'm passionate about exploring how things are made and the systems, machines, and people that keep production moving. Every video is created with research, editing, and storytelling to make complex production processes easy to understand and enjoyable to watch. Some content on this channel may also involve the use of AI tools for script support, visuals, voice enhancement, or editing assistance, always with human review and direction. My goal is simple: to inform, to explore, and to bring you closer to the fascinating world of modern manufacturing. All footage, visuals, audio, and supporting materials are either properly licensed, transformed for educational use, or used in accordance with fair use principles when applicable. The content on this channel is intended for educational and informational purposes only. If you enjoy factory videos, production technology, and seeing how products are made, subscribe to Made in Motion and be part of the journey.